Hey there, fellow makers and builders. Today, we're diving into a world of sticky sweetness, exploring a factory marvel we often take for granted, bubblegum. This chewy treat has been a childhood staple for generations, sparking endless joy, sticky situations, and of course those epic bubble-blowing contests. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this bouncy, flavorful wonder is made? What's the secret behind that perfect chew? Join me as we journey inside a bubblegum factory and uncover the magic one delicious step at a time. We'll unlock the mysteries behind the gum base, witness the flavor fusion, and marvel at the ingenious machines that transform gooey goo into those perfectly sized chews we all know and love. So buckle up, grab your safety goggles, we don't want any sticky mishaps, and let's get this bubblegum party started. Get ready to see the science and engineering that goes into every piece of bubblegum. It's more than just candy, folks. It's a feat of manufacturing. Our journey begins with the heart of bubblegum, the gum base. This crucial ingredient is what gives bubblegum its chewiness and elasticity. Back in the day, this magical substance came from nature itself. We're talking about chicle, a natural latex harvested from sapodilla trees in Central America. Imagine sap, but chewier. However, as bubblegum's popularity exploded, relying solely on Mother Nature wasn't going to cut it. Enter synthetic rubber. Nowadays, most gum bases are crafted from synthetic materials like polyvinyl acetate or polyethylene. These lab-created wonders mimic the texture and chewability of chicle, ensuring a consistent and readily available supply of bubblegum goodness. So, while the source of our chewiness may have evolved, the goal remains the same: to create that satisfyingly stretchy and resilient base that makes bubblegum, well, bubblegum. With our gum base prepped and ready, it's time to inject some serious flavor. Picture this: massive melting vats where the gum base is heated to a molten state, transforming into a gooey, pliable mass. Here's where the real fun begins. Sugars, corn syrup, and other sweeteners dive headfirst into the molten mix, kicking off the flavor party. But wait, there's more. Natural and artificial flavors join the party, bringing their unique personalities to the mix. Whether it's classic strawberry, tangy grape, or even some wacky watermelon kiwi fusion, this is where the bubblegum's signature taste is born. It's a carefully orchestrated symphony of sweetness, with each ingredient playing a crucial role in creating the final flavor profile. And let's not forget the scent. Aromas are carefully selected to complement the taste, creating a multi-sensory experience with every chew. From the moment you open that pack, you're hit with a wave of deliciousness that tantalizes the taste buds and brings back childhood memories. Now that we've got our flavor-packed gum base, it's time to cool things down a bit, literally. The molten mixture, still brimming with sugary excitement, is carefully transferred to a cooling unit. Here, it embarks on a slow and steady temperature descent, ensuring that everything sets just right. But the action doesn't stop there. As the gum cools, it's also subjected to a vigorous kneading process. Think of it as a bubblegum massage, with large rollers working their magic to evenly distribute the flavors, sweeteners, and colors throughout the mixture. This crucial step guarantees that every single piece of bubblegum delivers a consistent flavor explosion with every chew. The kneading also plays a vital role in developing the gum's elasticity. It's like stretching before a workout. The repeated pressing and folding strengthens the gum's structure, giving it that satisfyingly chewy texture that we all know and love. Section 5. Technicolor chewing, adding the hues. Our bubblegum is cooled, kneaded, and bursting with flavor, but it's still missing one crucial element: its vibrant personality. Enter the coloring stage, where our chewy concoction transforms into a rainbow of deliciousness. Food-grade dyes are carefully added to the gum, creating those iconic bright pinks, electric blues, and sunny yellows that scream bubblegum. But it's not just about aesthetics. The coloring process is a precise science. The dyes are carefully measured and blended to achieve specific shades and intensities. This ensures that each batch of bubblegum matches the brand's signature colors, creating that instantly recognizable visual appeal that's synonymous with bubblegum fun. Once the colors are perfectly blended, the gum is rolled out into large, thin sheets, ready for their final transformation into those familiar shapes we all know and love. It's like rolling out dough for cookies, but on a much larger, stickier scale. Section 6. Shaping the fun sticks, balls, and beyond. Get ready for some serious shaping skills. The large, colorful sheets of bubblegum are now ready to be transformed into their final chew-ready forms. This is where the magic of machinery takes center stage. Automated cutters, guided by precision lasers, slice and dice the sheets with incredible speed and accuracy. Want those classic rectangular sticks? No problem. How about perfectly spherical gumballs coming right up? From cubes to chunks, the possibilities are endless. Each shape has its own unique appeal and chewing experience, and these ingenious machines churn them out by the thousands, ready to be enjoyed by eager chewers worldwide. And it's not just about the classics. Some factories even have specialized molds to create fun, novelty shapes like animals, objects, or even characters. These whimsical designs add an extra layer of excitement to the bubblegum experience, proving that there's a shape for every personality and occasion. Section 7. Wrapping it up, from factory to you. Our bubblegum journey is almost complete, but before these chewy delights can hit the shelves, they need to be dressed to impress. Enter the packaging stage, a whirlwind of automated wrapping, labeling and boxing that ensures each piece of gum arrives at its destination fresh, protected, and ready to be enjoyed. Individual sticks of gum are swiftly enveloped in colorful wrappers, often adorned with logos, characters, or eye-catching designs. Gumballs might find themselves nestled in convenient pouches or cascading into plastic tubs, while larger pieces might get the royal treatment with individual boxes or tins. The packaging serves multiple purposes. It protects the gum from moisture and air, preserving its flavor and texture. It also provides valuable branding and product information, allowing consumers to easily identify their favorite types of bubblegum. And of course, let's not forget the visual appeal. Bright colors, bold fonts, and fun graphics all contribute to the overall sensory experience of enjoying bubblegum. Section 8. Bubble bursting trivia. Fun facts and final thoughts. Congratulations, fellow bubblegum enthusiasts. We've reached the end of our factory adventure. We've witnessed firsthand the fascinating journey of bubblegum, from its humble gum-based beginnings to its final packaged glory. But before we say goodbye, let's indulge in some bubble-bursting trivia. Did you know that the world's largest bubblegum bubble ever blown measured a whopping 20 inches in diameter? That's bigger than a basketball. And speaking of records, the longest bubblegum chain ever chewed stretched over 1,800 feet. That's longer than 5 football fields. These fun facts highlight the playful and enduring appeal of bubblegum. It's a treat that transcends generations, sparking joy, creativity, and a healthy dose of competition. So next time you unwrap a piece of bubblegum, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity, science, and sheer fun that goes into every single chew. It's a testament to human creativity and our endless fascination with transforming simple ingredients into moments of pure, sticky delight. Keep on chewing, bubblegum champions.